know how to put my control. Once that rings on the finger,
Smell right up here. You can smell like the hot metal burning.
Yeah.
Smell that out for the lights. Oh, great. Great. Right in here. This whole valve right there.
Who'd you take it to?
That's going to Taylor Ford.
Yeah.
We're going to the one in St. Stephen. That's what it is, straight that.